doubts? Just go ahead and ask. So except GRPA 5, were you guys able to complete all the programming assignments in week 6? Anybody? Hey, firstly, can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Okay,
audible.
thanks. Yeah. So any doubts in any of the assignments or any of the concepts? Hello, guys. Yeah, I'm waiting for your questions. If you guys have any queries or something. Or do you guys have any other anything in mind related to the course? If you want to change the pattern of some of this session, if there are not many doubts, then you would like something else to be done in these sessions, or you want more questions or anything.
Yes, sir. We need more questions actually. We are
More
not.
questions?
com-
Okay, so which topic you don't feel confident
Sir,
currently?
awk.
Okay, so you don't feel confident or no. So there are some questions released in week 5-6 fresher unit. We have released it this week. Although there's no content release, but we have released some questions.
Yes,
Did you
sir.
see that?
Yes, sir. We'll try them.
Yeah. So there is a data zip file for all the data. You can download it and you can try those locally. One is that. And did you attend the code with us session last Friday?
No, sir. I was not available.
Okay. So even if you are not available, go to Replit and you will be able to practice the questions even now. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll try them also.
Last week of questions also, and last to last week's questions also. For everybody who need more questions, I think you guys are not trying Replit questions if you are not attending the session. And there are practice questions also. Solve those also. If you solve these questions by yourself. Okay, so initially for solve it won't be possible, but after solving some questions, some you should be able to solve by yourself. Okay, without any logic help from other sources. Like you may refer sources again and again for syntax initially, so that's okay. And we'd add some more questions in the week 5-6 refresher practice questions. Let me see. We'll try to add some more. Okay. Any other concerns? Okay. So somebody saying this week there is no code with us session. This week code with us session we have not decided yet. You will get the notification if it is cancelled. For now, consider that it will be there. If it's not there, you will get a announcement, and it won't be there on your calendar.
Sir, is there any platform where we can get the syntax reference of all the programming languages we are using?
Platform in the sense, I think lectures should be sufficient if you have watched lectures. And there are slides. So you go to supplementary content and you refer the slides again and again. You won't have to refer a lot of other content in terms of syntax. Did you see the supplementary content
I saw,
unit?
but many things are not there, like in the slides.
But yeah, many things won't be there, but anything related to our assignments, you would find it there mostly. I don't think we for solving our assignments there is any complex programming required. Just check that. If you still find issues, we can discuss more.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Seems like you guys are finding this course easy, right? Nobody is having any queries.
Sir, can you explain working with arrays like in bash scripts or arc?
Okay. So in awk, so these are not full fledged programming languages, right? So these are just scripting languages. So there's not too much attention paid on like you should have everything like other languages like Python. So firstly, let's talk about Awk as that is the latest. In that, the arrays are actually all arrays are hash maps. Okay, so even if you create a normal, if you would feel that you are creating a normal array with indexes 0, 1, 2, but actually it will be a key value pair with keys as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, so just write one program where you create an array and you print the values of that array in awk. Then you would know how it works. Okay, so there are two ways you can access the. So firstly, create an array in awk. Try what I'm saying on your local machine. Create an array in awk, then try to print that array using two ways. One is using the keys, and other is using a counter. Okay, I will just show you that in a minute.
Okay.
And yeah, let's try that. Okay, hello. So Navya, you there?
Yes.
Okay. So I have written a small script.
Mhm.
So yeah, this is the script.
Okay.
So I don't care like on what file this script works and how many records are there. That's why I've written, I've created an array in begin block and I'm trying to print that array in end block. So it doesn't matter how many records are there in the file that I run this awk script on. This code will only run once. Okay.
Okay. Can we write for loops like array for loops in default block? Like
Yes, you
you
can
have
write. You
mentioned
can
in
write, but it will be executed for each record.
okay. Okay.
Then
Okay.
you won't, yeah.
Leave the
Then you
array.
would be confused because of the number of print statements, the output.
Oh.
Okay. You can use arrays anywhere. This is just to demonstrate you the use. Okay. So this is
Okay.
how you, I have created 3 elements of array. Now you would consider this just as a regular array, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So what will this print? This line?
0.
0. ZERO. What
Uh,
will this loop print? This is a C style syntax we can use in awk. We
okay.
cannot use in bash. Okay. So what will this print?
All the three 0, 1, 2.
0, 1 and 2. Okay. 3 strings. What will this print?
Print key and numbers 0, 1, 2.
Yes. So it so because I have written it written key here. Let's not write it key.
Okay.
Let's make it item. Now tell me what will it print?
It should print like alphabetical 0, 1, 2, right?
No, no. So
Okay.
don't assume interpreters and compilers to be so intelligent. It doesn't matter. They don't understand what is a key, what is an item. They just understand that this is a variable name. Previously it was key so that you guys understand. So I wrote key so that you understand that it will print key. Now I have written item. This does not change anything. It will still print the key because this statement is for operating, iterating over all the keys. It doesn't matter what variable name you take. Okay,
Okay.
got it?
But like normal in like Python for any like if we say for item in array, it will take the value.
Items. It will take the items. But in Python also, if you say for item in array dot so map dot keys, it will
Okay.
still take the keys. It doesn't matter what variable name you are taking, even in Python. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So no. So this will print. This will print 0 digit, then 1 digit, then 2 digit. Is it?
Okay.
No. This won't do that also. This will print 0, 1 and 2, but not in the same order that we are expecting. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because this depends on the internal storage, how these are stored.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So it will print randomly 0, 1, 2 digits.
Not randomly. It will print in the same sequence always, but not the same sequence that you gave it. It may
Okay.
or it may not be the same sequence. Okay. It is based on how it is stored in the memory. Okay. And what will this print?
Words.
You call it key or you call it item. It will give you 0, 1 and 2. So in the same order, it will print the values.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now let's try it. Okay, I have already run. I will run it once more. Let's do this. Okay. So first one, it printed 0. Okay. This is printing 0. What is this printing? This is printing in sequence 0, 1 and 2 because we have started our own counter. And this
Oh.
counter is actually the keys. because we know that the keys that we gave were 0, 1, 2. Okay. So in awk, array is not a regular array, it is a hash map.
Okay.
If you create, yeah, you create it this way. Now the 0, 1, 2 are printed by this statement. Now after that we have this third one, 2, 0, 1. This is the order of the key that it fetches. The order is 2, 0, 1 for this time.
Okay.
Okay. For this creation, this array hash map that we have created, the order that it fetches is 2, 0, 1. Now in the same order it will fetch again, but this time we are not printing the key directly. You call it item, you call it key, doesn't matter. Okay. So in the same order it's printing the values. The value of 2 is TW, then 0 is 0 and 1 is 1. Okay. Let's try something in this to explain you the point.
So like if we have any CSV, so we can assign the second, I mean the first column to third column value, right?
First column.
First column, first value, row 1
Okay.
to
You
row
have to
3.
store it in some array.
Yeah, correct.
Okay,
So
that
I can use
we'll
arrays.
write the code just now. Just a
Okay.
second. Let me show this to you. Yeah. So the thing is that you whatever variable you name you use, that doesn't matter. Both of these, the output is same. Can you see that?
So this will not change every time, like 201, the order will not
That
change, right?
don't care about that,
Okay.
because that order you cannot manage, then it doesn't matter. Assume that it is random.
Okay.
Okay. You will have to understand the internals otherwise, how awk manages hash maps.
Okay.
Now let's see what we have in this file. Okay, so second column is third column is this. So what you want to do is,
So can I assign column 2 to name column to price?
name column 2 to
Name,
price.
yeah, tomato will be the key and price will be the value for array.
Yeah, you can do that easily. Tell me the code.
So every time we assign, we should give it in begin.
No,
Any
not necessary.
okay. So here count you have not
Yeah,
mentioned.
tell me what will be the code here. This is the block. So
Default.
firstly,
Okay. Hello.
yeah. So this I am doing because I don't want to do this for first record. Now what should we do for from second record onwards? You want to assign, right?
Assign an array.
Okay. Let the array be map. Let it be map. The name should be map. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell me the code.
So I can give $2 here. I mean 1, 2, 3, 1. Equal to $3. So it should be in square braces or normal works.
Square braces means?
$3 in square brackets. Or will
No,
it
square
work
brackets
like?
is for indexing. You don't need it on the right hand side.
Okay, okay. So this will work, huh? Like I'm thinking like to do like this. So this will work or not, I'm not sure.
Let's check it. like, just a second. We need to print it also. Only then we would know. It's not printing yet. Let me debug this. Something, some syntax issue.
So field separator is not comma.
Yeah, we have not given the field separator. Yeah, tell me, how will we, Navya? Tell me how to give the fields. Did you get the issue here? Firstly,
Yeah, we did not mention the field separator, huh? Comma.
yeah. So tell me the code. What should I write?
In begin, we can give fs equal to comma.
Capital F is equal to.
Double quotes, comma. In double quotes. Yep.
Let's try this now.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we should print everything at the bottom. Okay, got it now? How to do that?
Yeah. Got it. Got it.
So you helped me with most of the code. So you should try these things locally. Without any questions also, you can just try on any sample data to learn the syntax. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thanks, sir. Thanks.
Yes, for GRPA 5, the input is only okay. Input.txt with 50 as input. Just let me check. The file should be in the configuration. So, Indra Kumar, the file you can see that is in the code itself. When you will see the code, there we create em.csv. Okay. From that, we take first 50 lines. So actually it has 51 lines. We take first 50 lines. And we create employee details.csv. So if you want the file, you can just copy paste on your local machine. By the way, we will ignore this question from grading. This won't be considered for grading GRPA 5 because there was some ordering issue in configuration. That is corrected now, but it was there till late actually in the week. What I can do is I can just put this question up again in the practice assignment in week 5-6 refresher so that you guys can practice it. Would that be good?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I will put this question in practice assignment because it was, yeah, the configuration was corrected very late actually. Okay. Anything, guys? So if anybody has doubts, I'm just here. I'm muting my mic till then. Okay, so I have added GRPA 5 for you guys to practice. Don't see the solution. Those who are not able to like run it successfully, try your own solution in this and then see the solution. Yeah, guys. So any more doubts? So any opinions, any views on the level of the questions in the assignments? Do you have any views on that? Are they hard? Are they easy?
It's medium.
It's okay. So why
Yes.
I'm asking this is that because the proctored programming exam that you will have, it will be on the same lines as the problems that we have given in assignments. Okay, so try to be like a bit confident. Try to practice as much as you can so that you are a bit confident in terms of syntax. Yeah. So is Puneet here? The last
Yes,
time.
yes, sir, I'm here.
Hey, hi Puneet. So I had a discussion with JK on that thing on referencing. So that was just a one-time thing that we did. So it's difficult, like we cannot do that this time. We cannot allow to switch windows. This is what the operational team has decided.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for the updates. I appreciate it.
So, but you guys don't need to worry. Like, I would say that try to practice as much as you can, but we understand that this is not awk programming or a bash, just two courses. We don't, these are not two courses, just a single course. So, and we understand that you cannot learn the each and every complexity of the scripting language. Okay, just in this short duration. So if you guys are uh, good with lectures and assignments, you should be good with exams also. In terms of syntax, logical questions, like there could be different logic for the question, but in terms of syntax and those things, you should be good if you have practiced all the questions and you have watched the lectures. So guys, does we don't see a lot of questions like I don't see that you guys have a lot of queries. So I'll wait till 3 o'clock. If you guys have any queries, otherwise it's just waiting for like 83 people in the meeting, and a lot of you may be waiting just for attendance. So better if we have some queries to discuss, it's good. Otherwise we'll close the session at 3.
Sir, to check a given value is string, can we use alpha, that thing comes in square braces and colons?
Sorry, I am not clear on your question. Can you
Okay.
repeat?
So if an argument, given argument is string or a positive number or negative number,
You want to check that?
yeah, to check it is a string. So can we use square braces, colon alnum or something for a string?
So you are talking about the pattern. There
Yeah,
are some okay. So some set of characters you can use the digits and all those things are there. You are talking about that, right?
yeah.
Yeah, Lnum. It should be Lnum, I think. ALNUM.
Sorry.
Yeah. You can use that, but that will give everything.
Okay, if I give alpha, then it will not.
Alphabet and number. It comes like it has all the character range. The character range for Lnum will be alphabets and numbers both.
So
Okay, and this is for just for a single character check. You have to create your own pattern. Okay.
Okay, every time if we have to check it is string or not, we have to create new pattern.
No, not new pattern. What I'm saying is this character range is for a single character instance. What you want to check at that for that character. Now, what should be the repetitions and all those, all that also you have to mention. What should be in the starting, where the string should end, and how many repetitions of these characters are allowed.
Okay, okay. This is for
You
only
got it?
single character.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you got it.
yeah, got it, got it. So I have to give
So you have to specify all those things.
flower brackets, like
Yeah, not flower brackets. This is just like a range for that character at that position wherever you will use this elnum.
oh, okay,
Okay.
okay,
Yeah,
got
you
it.
have to use all the characters, special characters that you have learned for creating a pattern, like the cap symbol
Hmm.
for starting,
Yeah,
okay, and dollar for ending.
yeah.
So
Got
this
it.
is for starting and end. What do you want between these? Then you have to write, create a pattern. You can use elnum, but elnum won't be helpful for you to check if it is a number. You can use digits,
Okay, okay.
okay, and you try to use digits and try to create a pattern using that.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Then you have plus symbol, then you have star symbol, then you have dot. Try to use a combination of these or in singularity. Anyone, if anyone is of them is helpful for you. Okay. Then the last thing is you may is the negative numbers range allowed in the input. If you want to check there are if the number can be negative or not. If there are all positive numbers, you don't have to worry about the sign. But if what you have to the if the string that you are checking that can have negative numbers also, then you have to check that the first place could be sign also. It could be or it could not be that way. Got it?
Oh,
For
yeah.
negative numbers, the first character would be minus.
Hmm.
But for positive numbers, the first character would be
Nothing.
a digit,
A digit. Yeah.
directly a digit.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to accept zero, one, zero or one instances of minus sign. That is acceptable for your pattern.
Hmm.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
not giving you the pattern directly
Yeah, got
because
it.
this is a concept we have been discussing since 2 3 weeks. So you should now try to create your own by your own after we have discussed the logic. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, Navya, you there?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the Elnum character class that you are talking about, right? Now
Yeah.
I am using only the character. That means any line. So this the input has 3 lines. What are the 3 lines in the input? Can you see the
3 lines. Okay, ABC, BC.
ABC, BC, and comma,
Comma.
comma, comma? Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Now, what will this search for? This pattern, what does this pattern means? That search if any line has any alphabet or number.
There.
Okay,
Hmm.
just let me add one more line.
So I'm just quickly asking, shouldn't it be echo E to, oh, sorry, I got confused.
Okay, somebody is saying something. Yeah, go ahead.
No, I got confused with echo and echo E. No issue.
Yeah. So this is just the input. I'm not running egrep on some file. I'm just running a sample to understand. This is just a 4-line input. Okay. Last line would be 3D. Yeah. So got it. It didn't print comma, comma, comma. Navya, tell me why.
There is no number and alphabet in that line.
Yes. Okay. So we have
Yeah.
not specified anything. So it will take every line that has. So if I just add one character with commas, it will get that line for me.
Yeah.
So it just checks if in the complete line, if even a single character is there somewhere, it's the pattern matches. Got it?
Yeah.
So this character class, although it comprises of a lot of characters, but this is just a single character match. That's what I was saying. Got it?
Yeah. Got it.
So you have to specify something. Like suppose if I specify that it should have digits or digit, yeah. Then it will only check if each line have digit or not. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, what if I want to say that the line should end with a digit,
Dollar at the end.
dollar at the end? Okay.
Yeah.
What if I want to say it should start with a digit?
Cap symbol. At the,
So it got it.
oh.
And what if I want to say that it starts and ends with digit? Got it?
Yeah.
Only then it will give me yeah. Why is it not printing 45? And why is it only printing 7?
It's just saying one character.
Yes. Now what you have to do?
So we have to mention star or
Okay. Then star, what will star do? I think it will print all the lines if I use a star. Let's try. Okay, it's one actually it should be plus according to me, one or
Yeah.
more. Okay, because if you use something else in combination, then this will be ignored. If you use a star, it will be ignored completely. Also, it means 0 or more, right? So if you want one or more, then use plus or dot star. Dot star will also mean one or more.
One or okay.
No, dot star will mean yeah, you will have to check dot star. No, it won't mean one or more. You have to write again this pattern. Then it will be using star. You have to say one or more. You will have to do it like this, not dot star. The star is for dot. Dot means any character.
Okay.
So this is the pattern for one or more. Got it?
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else? Now you try to complete it. I have shown you at least 60, 70, 80% of the pattern.
Yeah. Thanks.
Sir, my earlier doubt that I was asking about echo is that in your terminal, when you put echo/n, it prints a new line. But in my terminal, like a Linux terminal, echo/n without the -e option, it will only print it directly. It won't create a new line.
Hey, hello, hello.
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Hey, sorry, I was disconnected in between. Can you repeat? Somebody was asking something. Rahul?
Sir, I was telling my earlier question was about that echo in your terminal. When you said the echo /n in between, it printed the new line. But in our terminals, I think we need to put the -e option.
No, you're not clear.
I will type it. I have put it in the chat.
Okay, thank you. Echo in our terminal requires -e to print /n as new line. Okay, so don't compare this with your terminal. This is a different prompt. This is not Linux. Currently, today I am using my Mac. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
sir.
this is a different
I
shell.
won't
Today I am
compare.
using my Mac. Generally, I use my Linux laptop for taking live sessions. But today I am using Mac, so that's why this is a bit different shell. Okay. So you can't compare these commands on Mac exactly with the commands on Linux.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Any more doubts? So should we end the session now for today? Okay, guys. So if there are no
Thank you, sir.
more, yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, have a nice day. Happy learning.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Good day, guys.
ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಲ್ಲಿ